Shenzhen Zhuomao Technology Company Limited, established in 2005, is a leading national high-tech enterprise and recognized little giant in the field of intelligent inspection and soldering solutions. We specialize in the research, development, manufacturing, and sales of cutting-edge equipment for the global SMT industry. Our comprehensive product portfolio includes advanced 3D CT X-ray inspection systems, X-ray counters, AOI, SPI, battery inspection, casting inspection, and intelligent BGA ray Bork equipment. As a pioneer in China's electronic intelligent equipment sector, Zhuomao has consistently dominated niche markets for years. Powered by a team of over 100 professional R&D engineers, we have secured nearly 300 national intellectual property certifications, underscoring our commitment to innovation. With over 2 decades of growth, Zhuomao now operates across Shenzhen square meters of state-of-the-art facilities in Shenzhen and Hubei, supported by a workforce of more than 70 dedicated employees. Our extensive network includes branch offices in Suzhou, Chongqing, Tianjin, Wuhan, Xi'an, Beijing, Taiwan, and India, as well as global distribution partners. This enables us to deliver exceptional sales, service, and technical support worldwide. All products meet international certifications, including CE and ISO 9001, ensuring the highest quality and reliability. At Zhuomao, we are committed to providing comprehensive, on-stop solutions for the intelligent manufacturing industry. We look forward to partnering with you and delivering innovative solutions to meet your business needs.